Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Dogecoin price prediction and Dogecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Dogecoin in 2022. Let's remember where the well-known Dogecoiner Doge came from. It was born from the popular internet meme Doge, and its logo depicts a dog of the Shiba Inu breed. The open-source digital currency was created by Billy Markus of Portland, Oregon and Jackson Palmer of Sydney, Australia as a fork of Litecoin in December 2013. The creators of Dogecoin saw it as a fun and laid-back cryptocurrency that would be more appealing to outside of the mainstream audience of Bitcoin, since it refers to the famous dog meme. Also, you probably often heard about Elon Musk's mentions of Dogecoin. He explained this support by the fact that he considers this altcoin to be the people's cryptocurrency, since many Tesla and SpaceX employees own it. Also, the head of Tesla and SpaceX denied information that is related to the development of Dogecoin. Musk stated that none of his associates, including Jared Birchall, are members of the Dogecoin Foundation, which supports and develops the altcoin. In August, the organization announced a revival, and also announced that its advisors included Musk representative Jared Birchall and Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. ADA is a Layer 1 blockchain operating with the goal of delivering advanced smart contract capabilities and decentralized applications with secure crypto transactions. After a massive run that took the coin from 25 cents to over $3 in Q4 2021, ADA has failed to consolidate and experienced a downtrend. The year 2022 has been largely negative as it continued to dip and recently hit a low of $0.745. However, there are now signs of reversal since ADA seems to have flipped a resistance trendline to support and is currently backtesting it. This test is in confluence with a double bottom, and if played out, could see ADA rally to resistance at $1.13 in the coming weeks. Continued bullish momentum could bring targets of $1.37 within reach. ADA is a fundamentally sound crypto, and many would agree that current levels, despite the deep retracement and loss of supports, are good levels to buy for the mid to long term. Key levels. Support. 79 cents, 74 cents resistance. $1.13, $1.37. Less, with time, SHIB has begun to cover the gap that separated them. It recently surged above 3,332,470 million followers on Twitter. Now, Dogecoin is only sitting at 3,356,541 million followers on the social media platform. This means that SHIB is now only about 20,000 followers away from being on equal footing with the coin on the social media site, and perhaps even surpassing it. This number has put it ahead of the likes of Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano, all of which are beloved projects in the space. It now sits at 4th place on the list of top 10 cryptocurrencies by Twitter followers, as of the time of this writing. Shiba Inu celebrates Vitalik donation on May 13. Shiba Inu officially marked 1 year after Ethereum founder, Vitalik Buterin, had made the largest donation to a charitable cause using cryptocurrency. The founder, who had received trillions of tokens from the SHIB team, had promptly donated more than $1 billion worth of tokens, 50 trillion SHIB at the time, to the India COVID Relief Fund. What made this remarkable was not only the sheer value of the donation, but what it would do for SHIB's credibility going forward. The donation by Buterin using the memecoin had sparked significant curiosity in the minds of crypto investors, who had then begun to seek out the altcoin. Elon Musk foresees huge use cases for Dogecoin as he champions Doge as a potential currency. Despite crypto prices going down the rabbit hole in yet the bloodiest month this year, Elon Musk has heralded Dogecoin, stoking proponents of the canine-themed coin. On May 13, Dogecoin co-founder Billy Markus tweeted, "The reason I like Dogecoin is because it knows it is stupid." In an almost instant comeback, Elon Musk responded, stating, "It has potential as a currency," sending the Doge community into an optimistic frenzy. Billy Markus, popularly known on Twitter as Shibatoshi Nakamoto, is the co-creator of Doge alongside Jackson Palmer, a former software engineer at Adobe. Despite promoting Doge on the sidelines, Markus will continue near all-time highs, and asset inflation will run at double the rate of consumer inflation over the next few years, adding, "Weaker currencies will collapse, and the flight of capital from cash, debt, and value stocks to scarce property like Bitcoin will intensify." "It is not entirely unpredictable that you would reach that conclusion," Musk responded, referring to Saylor's large Bitcoin holdings. MicroStrategy, a decades-old software company, has pivoted to a Bitcoin acquisition vehicle over the last couple of years. MicroStrategy now holds just over 125,000 Bitcoins, currently valued at about $4.8 billion. Musk, who's become one of the most divisive figures in the crypto community over the last year, has repeatedly called for upgrades to the meme-based Bitcoin rival Dogecoin, suggesting last year Doge could work with Ethereum to beat Bitcoin hands down. While Musk has said he personally owns Bitcoin, Ethereum and Dogecoin, it's not known how much or when he bought the cryptocurrencies. Last week, the latest U.S. Inflation numbers showed consumer price inflation rocketed to a 4-decade high, as rent, fuel and food costs climbed even before Russia's invasion of Ukraine triggered a sharp rise in energy prices. On Wednesday, the Federal Reserve is set to hike interest rates for the first time since the coronavirus pandemic sent the global economy into meltdown in an attempt to curb soaring inflation. Markets expect the Fed will follow through on plans to increase interest rates, but how far and how fast is now very much in doubt, Danny Hewson, a financial analyst of brokerage J. Bell, said in an emailed note. Once again, external factors are in the driving seat, and there are big questions about how effective rate rises will be at cooling those hot prices. By the way, after today's drawdown news, it might make sense to buy this coin, but let's look at the next forecast for 2023. So, in fact, what 2023 promises us, experts predict that basic analysis is important for a long-term forecast of the Dogecoin price. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As DApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average Doge price will rise to around 25 cents by 2023 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of 30 cents with a minimum price, 25 cents level. And what about those who decided to keep it even longer? Analysts give the following forecasts. Dogecoin forecasts for 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Dogecoin could cross 42 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 35 cents. And if you are ready to hold this cryptocurrency for more than 3 years, then the next forecast for you. The forecast for 2025 is that the value of Dogecoin will grow thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2025 is bullish. Doge is expected to reach a maximum rate of 59 cents by the end of 2025, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Dogecoin will eventually rise. Thus, the predicted average price of Doge will be between 50 cents and 51 cents, expected in 2025 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Doge ranges from 50 cents to 59 cents for 2025. And finally, for those who are just curious, quick predictions for the next 3 years. Forecasts for 2026. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Dogecoin will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2026, Doge is expected to peak at 86 cents. The minimum bet could go up to 70 cents if the market turns bullish. Forecasts for 2027. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price forecast for Doge will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2027 could end with an average bid of $1.08 and a minimum bid of $1.06. The maximum bet is expected to be around $1.25. And the last forecast for today, in 2028, is that the Dogecoin price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Doge can reach $1.81 by 2028 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $1.56 for 2028, it could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2028.